So just a little summary of anything that we haven't covered or something that you want to reinforce in regards to drone technology and the work that we've done so far, and perhaps even maybe where you can see it being implemented or not being implemented, and any learnings that you've had from each of you.
Yeah. I think for me, in terms of the things that we've seen from the drone technology, we haven't seen anything that we necessarily haven't been able to explain. But we are seeing things that we wouldn't ordinarily see on the ground. So in terms of management changes, I think we're addressing that with what we can see on the ground. But I think I'm excited about what the future might hold in terms of the different wavelengths we can look at and plant health, because you're making decisions sometimes retrospectively in terms of the information you're finding. So we do leaf tests and we do monitor groundwater and soil moisture. But if drone technology can help us preempt some of those issues by picking up those things earlier, because we can look at a bigger scale more regularly, then I think that's pretty exciting.
Yeah, it's exciting to watch where it goes. Yeah, particularly on the larger scale properties, you can see a lot of time being saved from having the drone technology, and also it's a bit of fun. And yeah, just seeing what else it could be used for. So the fertiliser applications or the herbicide or even the herbicide stuff, going out and just doing sprays. When people don't actually have to handle it themselves, they can just get the drone to go out and do it. That looks really good.
And fruit fly as well?
Yeah, fruit fly. So you're not having to handle all the baits and things, but yeah, just getting away from the chemicals.
Sure.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your time.
No problem.
Ta.